Hey you guys, and welcome back to Joeyzworld. Okay, so in this episode I'm going to be sharing my guacamole, my famous guacamole, so hopefully you guys like it. If you like it and make it, comment down below, alright? And share with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this is a family-sized chunky guacamole, alright? So I'm taking one full thing of cilantro. Some people don't even like cilantro. I love cilantro on everything. I'm going to put that right into my bowl. And now I'm going to be taking 2 full large sizes of tomato. And they can be any tomato. If you find small ones, then get 4 of them and cut them up, alright? Remember, keep everything nice and chunky. Now we're just going to put that into the bowl. With the jalapeno, you can buy 2 or 1. If you do 1, it's not going to be that spicy, but it's fine. Don't forget to clean it out, alright? And then with the jalapeno, you want to make it really, really small, so then it can like just be everywhere. 1 large size of an onion. You can do any type of onion as long as it's an onion, alright? And don't forget to wear sunglasses, otherwise you'll be crying everywhere. Either way, you're gonna cry. You can just cut it however you really want. I mean, depends on you, but just watch your fingers, because look, I cut myself while doing this process, as always. And please don't forget to clean up while you cook, because nobody wants a messy cook up in the motherfucking kitchen. So with limes, I like mine really, really, really limey. Well, I also got one of these guys as well. These come in handy if you're going to be cutting up limes and then putting them into your guacamole. So get one of those guys. This guy right here, this is a little side dish, a little appetizer as well. A lot of limes. I don't know what you call it, but it's cucumbers with lime and Tajin. So just cut up your cucumbers, put in your limes, cut those little slices up. I recommend them little round slices like that. And now you're gonna put in the Tajin, and I got the low sodium one, so trying to keep it a little bit healthy. My best friend is obsessed with Tajin. She puts it on everything, even her eggs in the morning. Love it. All right, so put enough of that, but not too much where it doesn't overpower. Those are super, super delicious. Nice and refreshing as well. I mean, you can even take those to work, to lunch, everywhere you go. Back to the guacamole, and now I'm going to be cutting up some bell peppers. Bell peppers. I like cutting the bell peppers just to add more flavor, plus it also gives it some color as well. So I do the orange and the yellow because we have a lot of green, and I don't know, I guess I just love color. Put that all up in your bowl. Now we're going to be taking some chili powder. It can be any chili powder. It can be mild or really, really hot. It's up to you. I am going to be putting about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Just put enough, as much as you want. That one's not really spicy, so just gives it a little more flavor. Avocados. Who loves a good avocado? So I put in about about 7 avocados in this, and the bell peppers was 2 bell peppers, okay? Well, just cut up all your avocados. Be careful when you're cutting everything. Now just mix it in with your knife just to chop it up with the avocados. And now we have to add the pepper and the salt. Salt and pepper, salt and pepper, salt and pepper. Push it. Now, oh, doesn't that look delicious? Isn't your mouth fucking watering right now? Mix, and dip. Oh, and then we forgot the sour cream. Get a small sour cream, get a light one, keep it somewhat healthy, and put all that motherfucking bitch up in there. Now twirl, swirl, dip it, flip it, whatever you gotta do. Now get those chips. Here it comes. Here we go. Drum roll. Bam! So good. I couldn't even show my face. That's how good it was. Alright, don't forget to clean up, alright? Dirty hoe. Let's eat some more. That's 1. That's actually 3. It needs a little more salt and pepper. Just taste it out and then see what it needs. A little bit of Tajin. Give it a little more flavor. Hello. Dip it. Dip another one, honey. That's good. All right, dip number 5, I think. Dip number 6. See, this is why the bitch wasn't motherfucking hungry after. All right, this guacamole is so good. I can't stop eating it. All right, this is gonna be a problem now. All right, she needs help. All right, so now put it in a bowl. Put your guac and your chips up in that bowl, and now show that motherfucking off. Doesn't that look so freaking good? It's super delicious. I hope you guys enjoy this guacamole recipe as much as I did. Please, 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 don't forget to clean up after yourself. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below if somebody out there needs to know a guacamole recipe, a bomb guacamole recipe, all right? Love you guys, and thank you for watching my channel again, and have a really good day. Mwah!